Hello, everyone. Welcome to Kirisun 2021 webinar. I'm Owen from Kirisun Product Operation Department. I'm very glad to be here to share the Kirisun PoC system operation guidance with you today. Hope you can enjoy the time with us. Firstly, please allow me to show you some tips about the webinar. You will be muted during the webinar. We will be running a live Q&A at the end of this presentation. If you have any questions during the webinar, please write down your questions in the chat box. The recording of the webinar will be reviewed when it is done, and you can download it from our website. Now, we will turn off the camera in order to have a smooth network connection. Today, my presentation includes 4 parts. Part 1, to register and enable the terminals on NMS Platform. Part 2, query on NMS Platform. Part 3, operations on dispatch console. Part 4, overview of Press2Talk app client. Part 1, to register and enable the terminals on NMS Platform. Step 1, get the NMS account. NMS Platform is for key coins, accounts, features, terminals, agents, and client management. How to get the NMS account from Kirisun? First, please prepare the company name, contacts, and email. Then, sending the information above to Kirisun Sales Manager to register the NMS account for you. You could access the NMS platform by this account in next step. Step 2, login the NMS platform. The NMS platform address is nms.porkradio.com. First, please visit this website and enter the account name and password to log in. Then sign out in the account name drop-down menu. Step 3, check the key count on the account. The first task after logging the platform is to check whether the number of key coins is sufficient, because most of the next operations needs to consume key coins, such as enable the terminal licenses, cloud SIM packages, voice records, control, renewal the terminal licenses, cloud SIM packages. If there are not enough key coins on the account, please buy from Kirisun or from the superior agent. How to check the key coins quantity on the account? First, please find the billing menu, then client billing. Second, in the key coin column, you would see the available key coins. Step 4, the subordinate agent creation. We need to create a name for subordinate agent first, then create an account. How to create a name for subordinate agent? First, please find the client menu, then client list, then add. Select the client type as agent. Edit the agent name, company name, contacts, email, then confirm. The agent means dealer, so it can create a subordinate accounts for their agents or clients. Step 5, the subordinate client creation. How to create a name for subordinate client? First, please find the client menu, then client list, then add. Select the client type as client. Edit client name, company name, contacts, email, then confirm. The client means end user, so it cannot create a subordinate account anymore. Step 6, the account creation. How to create the NMS account for subordinate agents and clients. First, please find the account menu, then account list, then end. Second, select the client, edit account and username, password, then confirm to create the NMS account. We will issue the key coins to this new account in next step. Step 7, issue key coins to the subordinate accounts. How to issue the key coin to your subordinate agents and clients? First, please find the billing menu, then the client billing. Second, choose the agent or a client who needs to recharge. Then issue the key coins. It will consume the key coins on your account. When there are enough key coins on the account, we are able to register and enable the terminals in following steps. Step 8. It needs an IMEI to register the terminals. How to find the IMEI on the radio? Option 1. Please find the IMEI on the box label. Option 2. Please remove the battery. We would find the IMEI on the label. Option 3. Please find the menu on the screen, then the settings, then device info. Then you will see the IMEI. Step 9, terminal registration. There are two ways to register and enable the PLC terminals. One is single registration, the other is batch registration. How to register and enable the single PLC terminal? First, please find the IMEI of PoC Radio. Second, find the terminal menu, then terminal list, then end. Select the type. There are 3 types: PLC, APP, and dispatcher. Then fill in the IMEI, edit the name, select the best PLC service and quantity to register and enable this PLC terminal. It will consume the key coins on your account. Step 10. Terminals batch registration. How to batch, register, and enable the PLC terminals. First, please get the terminal IMEI list from Kirisun first. Then, please find the terminal menu, terminal list, then batch 8. Then download the Excel template and fill in the IMEI and the name. Please don't change the format of the Excel template. Then import the filling out Excel template. Then select the best PLC service and quantity, then confirm to batch, register, and enable the PLC terminals. It will consume the key coins on your account. Step 9. Terminal registration. Step 11. Rename terminal. How to rename the terminal? Please move the mouse to the name column. Then the edit icon will be appeared. Tap the new name to save. After the terminals are registered, they need to be added to the group in next step. Step 12. Group creation. How to create the new groups. First, please find the group menu, then the group list, then end. Select the client and group type, edit group name and the number, then confirm to create a new group. Step 13. Join the group. How to join the group? First, please select the terminal IDs in the terminal list. Then click this icon to join group. Select the group you want to join. The multiple groups can be selected at the same time. Step 14. Connect to the network. There are 3 options to connect to the cellular network. Option 1. Please input SIM card. Then power on to connect to the 3G, 4G network. Option 2. Please connect to the network by Wi-Fi. Option 3. Please connect to the network by Cloud SIM. After the above steps are completed, the terminal should be ready to use. Step 15. Power on terminal. How to confirm the registration is successful on the PLC terminal. First, please power on the PLC radio. If the TTA says login successfully, enter group blah blah blah, it means the registration is successful. Enable Cloud SIM. How to enable the Cloud SIM package? First, please choose the terminal model that can support Cloud SIM, such as T350. Then please find the terminal menu, terminal list, then select the Cloud SIM package in your country, the quantity for years or months, then fill in the IMEI 2, then confirm to enable the Cloud SIM. It will consume the key coins on your account. If we want to use the Cloud SIM, the SIM card should be removed first. Renewal Cloud SIM. How to check the Renewal Cloud SIM package? The Cloud SIM package can be viewed through the Cloud SIM order list. Then please find the Cloud SIM menu, Cloud SIM Renewal. Select the terminal ID, then renew Cloud SIM for years or months. It will consume the key coins on your account. Renewal PLC licenses. How to renew the PLC licenses? First, please find the billing menu. Then Renewal Terminal. Select all or select the PLC terminal that needs to be renewed. Then renew the licenses. It will consume the key coins on your account. Logs. How to check the operation logs? First, please find the log menu. In the log list, select the account log you want to view. Part 2. Query on NMS Platform. How to query the PLC terminal's information. First, please find the terminal menu, then terminal list. Query the terminal information such as by the ID, client, link, groups, and through that icon to view more terminal information, such as current server, last online time, creation time, valid time, and version. How to accurately query PLC terminal information. Please find the terminal menu, then terminal list. Through the icon to filter the terminal device information that needs to be queried according to the conditions, such as the type, the model number, the current server. How to check the terminal that needs to be renewed. First, please find the billing menu, Renewal Terminal, status to select expired or expiring terminals. View expired or expiring terminal list. How to query group relations. Please find the group menu, then group terminal relationships. The first column shows the name of the agent and the name of the subordinate clients. The second column shows all groups under the selected client. The third column shows the members in the selected group. Part 3. Operations on Dispatcher Console. Step 1. Dispatcher Account Registration. How to register and enable the dispatcher account. First, find the terminal menu, then terminal list, then add. Select the client type. Select the client type as dispatcher. Add its name. Select the basic PLC server and the quantity to register and enable the dispatcher account. It will consume the key coins on your account. After the dispatcher is registered, it needs to join the group in next step. How to join the group? First, please select the dispatcher ID in the terminal list. Then, click this icon to join group. Select the group you want to join. Then, we could log in the dispatcher console by this account in next step. Step 3. Login dispatcher console. Dispatcher console is for voice, video, location, patrol, dispatching. The address is www.pocradio.com. It's recommended to use the Chrome browser to log in. Please enter the account name and password to log in. And please log out from the exit icon in the upper right corner of the dispatcher console. The first menu is Voice Dispatch. The Z1 area is main menu area. Z2 is groups and member list. Z3 is PTT button. Z4 is group details. Create temporary group. Z5 includes member details. Z6 is recent temporary group. Z7 is quick temporary group. Z8 is recent contacts. Z9 is voice records. You can play back the voice here. Z10 is dispatcher details. Sign out settings area. The second menu is the location scheduling. Z1 is main menu area. Z2 group and member list. Z3 PTT button. Z4 the map area. Z5 list of framed members. Z6 the map tool area. The next is low worker. What is a low worker? The low worker mode refers to a function that sets a certain terminal with a set date and a set period of time and force the terminal to manually activate it every time to determine the safety of personnel. It is mostly used in the scenarios where a worker is performing dangerous tasks. Then, how to set up the low worker mode? Please find the low worker menu. Then, End. Select the radius, date, period time, interval time, then confirm. Then click Start to enable it. How does the network work? When the timing is over, an alarm will be displayed on the terminal to remind the user that need to manually press the PTT button to activate the terminal once. If the terminal has not pressed the PTT button after timing is over, there will be an alarm prompt on the dispatch console. The dispatcher needs further processing, such as call this radio or call someone around. The next is multimedia messages. Please find the message menu, then enter the text info in the text box to send. Or you can click this icon to select multimedia files, such as a picture, video, audio, or other files to save. And you can switch the groups in recent contacts. And we also can select the member to send the messages. The next one is job ticketing. How to dispatch the tasks. First, please find the job ticketing menu. Then select the end task. Select the numbers. Edit the task. Then confirm. The terminal device will receive a reminder. User can choose to accept, reject, or save this task. A complete control system includes control points, control routes, control plane, and control reports. First, set up the control points. There are three types of control points: NFC, a beacon, and GPS. Please find the control menu, select the control points, and end. Select the type NFC, GPS, or a beacon. Edit the name, tag, volume, range, then confirm. Control route. Set up the control route. Please find the control menu, select the control route, then end. Edit the name, select the control points, and then edit the interval of each control point, then confirm. Control plane. How to set up the control plane? Please find the control menu, then select the control plane and edit the name, select the route, date, terminal, start time, working days, then confirm. Control report. The control report includes flight statistics and attendance reports. How to check the control reports? Please find the control menu, then control report. To check the flight statistics or check the attendance reports, please find the reports menu. Select the type of reports we want to view, such as online, call duration, alarm, job ticket, statistics. Logs. Check the logs. Please find the logs menu. Select type of log you want to view, such as operation logs, location records, alarm records, missed calls. Part 4. Overview of Press2Talk app client. Press2Talk app is a Kirisun PoC client. Please download the Press2Talk app from Google Play or App Store. And this is an interview of Press2Talk app. Press2Talk app main features include PTT call, such as group call, private call, call all, the voice records, multimedia messages, no worker, job ticketing, mapping, patrol, missed call, SOS. Thank you for your listening. Thank you for your time. Now it's time for live Q&A. Okay, I saw a question. The first question is, do you have a different theme with your NMS product? Yes, we have a dark and a light theme. The second one, Owen, what's the function of key count, Y count, month count, and key count? Now we only have the key count, so you can select the yearly licenses or monthly licenses to recharge it. The third one, what is cloud SIM? Cloud SIM is a virtual SIM. It's no need. It's only need to support by specific model such as T350, and after you enable the cloud SIM package, then you can use it without the SIM card. Next one. How maximum group to one ID we can create on NMS? There is no limited for the number of the group you can create it on the NMS. The next one, what is the benefits of superior group in NMS? I need to check with my engineer and answer it later. So what the benefits of the superior grouping NMS answer is, it's only for the dispatching of the superior members. The next one, does the patrol feature require coins? Yes, it does. The next one, if so, it is paid for by the unit via key coins. So I don't understand. Pay for what? Pay for unit with via key coins. No, it's for the radio unit. You need to buy from us. The next one, does T16 support cloud SIM? No, it doesn't. The next one, please provide with your presentation by email. Thank you. Please don't worry. The recording of the webinar will be reviewed when it is done, and you can download it from our website. The next one, how long voice recording can save on your PLC server? I will check it. Three months. NMS parameter named use style. What is this useful? The use style means you can dial, if you enable this function, you can dial this radio directly, but you need to use the SIM card that have such functions. 3 months voice storage on basic or advanced dispatch. Now our platform doesn't have the basic and advanced dispatcher options now. It only have the 3 months voice storage right now. The next one, use the NFC feature. Does it require enabling the control feature and issue coins to control units? Yes, it will consume the key coins, and you need to enable the control feature for this unit first. Do you have more questions? Okay. Next one, is there a dial feature for T350? No, there isn't, because T350 even doesn't have the keyboard. I has tested for your GPS module on PLC Radio. It only can work at outside area. If I bring it on site, building GPS not detected. Is it true? The signal of the GPS inside the building will be very weak. Please discuss the process of updating of the control monitoring software. We can do the radio firmware upgrades on the same software.
Usually for the control and monitoring software is working on the PLC detector. And for the software upgrading, the firmware upgrading is using the chipset and manufacturer upgrading software. Like if the chipset is MediaTek, it will use the MediaTek like Flash tool programming the upgrading software. And if this the chipset is Qualcomm, it will use the Qualcomm upgrading software. So it's different software. And the next question. We are suggest our client using chicken building for more accurate location. Yes, usually for the outside GPS is more accurate, and for the indoor we suggest customer to use Bluetooth. For Bluetooth petrol software. And for the also you can use the NFC for patterning, because indoor the GPS signal is not good, so the indoor GPS is not accurate in indoor. So we don't suggest customer to use indoor to use the GPS location. And next, is there a way to temporarily turn off a group? Not yet. If you want to temporarily turn off this group, I think you need to just switch the node, or you remove the group member to another group. So yeah, can't be like a mobile phone. Usually mobile phone gets straight away GPS inside the building. Few days ago, we tried on Kirisun unit. Need to outside first and to get the GPS even through the SIM board signal. This is also usually we also tested because for normally speaking, we tested both our radios and the mobile phone. Sometimes it can be detected, and sometimes if the signal or some building is very high or not very good signal to cover, the signal, the GPS is not accurate. So indoor, we don't suggest customer to use the indoor to use the GPS location. It's not accurate than outside.
Okay, if you have any further questions, please hurry up, and we will wait for 2 minutes more. Okay, thank you very much for your time. So see you next time. Bye-bye. So the next webinar is Kirisun PoC NMS Advanced Training by Kate. Thank you.